Freunde, wie geht's? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to learn vocabulary of furniture. Furniture in German is Möbel. So I'm going to tell all the furniture which are there in my house one by one. I hope this video is interesting and you really learn all the vocabulary related to furniture. So let's get started. Das ist mein Wohnzimmer. Das ist mein Wohnzimmer. This is my living room. And this? Das Sofa. The sofa. Das Sofa. Der Kühlschrank. The fridge. Der Kühlschrank. The fridge. Der Kühlschrank. Das Bett. Das Bett. The bed. Das Bett. Der Schrank. The cupboard. Der Schrank. The cupboard. Der Schrank. Schrank takes the article der. That means masculine. Der Schrank. Der Stuhl. The chair. Der Stuhl. Stuhl also takes the article der. Masculine. Der Stuhl. Die Uhr. The clock. Die Uhr. The clock. Uhr takes the article die. Feminine. Die Uhr. The clock. Der Ventilator. The fan. Der Ventilator. The fan. Ventilator takes the article der. Masculine. Der Ventilator. Der Vorhang. Curtain. Der Vorhang. Curtain. Vorhang also takes the article der. Masculine. Das Regal. Shelf. Das Regal. Shelf. Das Bücherregal. Das Bücherregal. Bookshelf. Das Bücherregal. Bücherregal und Regal takes the article das. Neutral. Das Regal. The shelf. Der Spiegel. The mirror. Der Spiegel. The mirror. The Spiegel takes the article masculine. Der. Der Spiegel. Die Tür. The door. The Tür. The door. Tür takes the article feminine. Die Tür. The door. Die Wand. Die Wand. The wall. The Wand. The wall. Wand takes the article feminine. The Wand. That's it for today. I hope you will like this video. If you did, do give it a thumbs up. Till then, subscribe my channel. Also click on the bell icon so that every time I post a new video, you get the notification. Till then, cheers!